Hey guys, good morning. So I just wanted to throw a real quick video up and say hi, check in with you guys, let you know what I'm up to, kind of update you on my project a little bit. I have got so many things going on right now. It's a super busy time of year. Love the holidays, so much fun, good time with the family and everything, but man, I'm busy. I've got like 48 things to do. But anyways, I just wanted to check in real quick, give you guys a real quick tip, and show you something that I've been working on the Jeep. And when I have to put something on a back burner like this, what I do to kind of help preserve it. So here's just a real quick video of Jason and I kind of hanging out in the shop, goofing around a little bit, and a real quick tip.
Did you see Peter McKinnon's video on YouTube is the loneliest job? Or did we watch that together? Yeah.
Which is true. I mean, honestly, like a lot of this that I do, I'm like, working in my garage by myself. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to the JeepSolid Garage and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday.
Hey!
So I'm just going to cover a real quick tip. We've finished lapping the valves on this and the head is going to be sitting for a few days. I don't want it to rust, so I'm going to just cover a quick tip on how to prevent the rust. Roll the intro!
Intro!
Rattlesnakes!
Don't drop it!
Stop!
Matt?
Actually had this for a...
Yeah, his production quality is just...
Oh yeah, it's really good.
It's like,
So let's put this guy over.
it's about as good as it gets on YouTube. I mean, really.
And so I've got the surface all cleaned up here, my valves all lapped.
Hold on. Are we rolling here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are rolling.
So I've got the surface all
Hold
cleaned.
on. I'm a lot taller than you.
Don't worry about him.
What the heck? I think it's discrimination against tall people.
So I want to keep this from rusting. So what can we do? Where is it? Ah. Can you stop the dryer for just 5 minutes? I'll start it when you're done. Stop the dryer.
I didn't hear it.
Oh, Kim's in there. Oh shoot.
Oh, like,
So the camera was rolling that whole time when I ran into stop the dryer because our laundry room is like right behind my shop here and makes this background. It's the struggles of making video. So I had to stop the laundry process for a bit.
that?
Okay, and go. So what we're going to do is we're going to just hit it real quick with a shot of WD-40. Actually, let's switch over to this.
Simply press the button to dispense product. Yeah, you're making a mess. Here, let me move my phone and my wallet.
Oh, it's fine. And this will just keep rust from developing. This head on this is going to be sitting around for a few weeks, maybe months, I don't know. I'm in the process of my engine rebuild on this. And this will just help prevent these areas that are all freshly lapped from rusting.
That's awkward.
So, oh, it's kind of working. I'm trying to get the aerosolized spray on this to work, and it's kind of working. That's why I'm using the, this works well, but Jason's worried about getting it on him.
Let me move.
So anyways, you get the point. Spray it down with a little WD-40 and that'll prevent rust on your freshly cleaned up project. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below of any tips or tricks or things you guys do at home. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Oh, mess.